Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aries. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, and I'll be giving angel guidance message at the end, guys, for your reading. How to deal with the situation, so you can watch till the end to get the angel guidance message, guys. Eight of Wands, Eight of Cups, Knight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Four of Cups. Aries, with these cards I feel a friend or a family member, they are coming over to visit you. Someone with the news, some kind of message is coming to see you, guys. That is the energy here. For some of you all, marriage is also in the cards, guys. That is also the energy here. Some of you all are getting married, but for some of you all, what to say, you have this feeling like you are feeling tired, and what to say, you just see the see all situations that's as same, like uh, some kind of boredom, okay, it is there within you. You're feeling sick and tired of your situation. You just want to move towards something. You're hoping for that activity, or some of you all are already preparing for some kind of transformation, some kind of change in your life. That is the energy here, Aries. You're working towards, for some of you all it may be marriage, or for some of you all you may be working towards changing your situation, maybe in your professional life. Maybe you are what to say, going for some interviews for your job, maybe your job interview, maybe you are going for some kind of study, scholarship, okay, to study further to improve your skills and qualification. So something of that sort is happening, and you have this weariness and sadness regarding your day-to-day life. So you just want to change this situation and transform. Maybe this may be in your relationship also. You may have you may feel bored, okay, where your relationship is right now, and you want to take it to the next step, make next great step, maybe towards an engagement or towards marriage. You want to step into some kind of commitment, guys. That is the energy here, Aries. Let me pick out a few cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up, the clarity in your situation. I'll be taking angel guidance cards next, guys, to give a solution to your situation, okay, how you can be to change it for better. Stars, Aries, with these cards, I feel there are new opportunities coming in for you all. Your dreams are manifesting whatever you wish for. You are seeing the path to achieve them, guys. That is the energy here with these cards. You are seeing the path to reach your goals, whatever it is, but you feel your time and energy are being wasted on your day to day routine. So that is the cause of your weariness that we were seeing with the other cards, guys. You're feeling you're wasting your time and energy in doing some activities that are not what to say profitable to you in some way. So you're feeling irritated in your situation. Some of you all may even feel you're being criticized, and there are arguments going on, maybe with some family members or maybe with your a person regarding some kind of behavior of yours, or this may be your person's energy. You are arguing with them for some kind of repetitive behavior, some kind of addictive behavior maybe. So that may also be the energy here, and you're sick and tired of the situation. That is the energy here, Aries. Maybe you're feeling that tiredness and irritation because of this addiction, or because you feel your whatever work you're doing, okay, to make this relationship work, it is going for waste, Aries. That is the energy here. But you have many opportunities. You realize that also, even in your relationship you are having many choices, guys. But since you're with this person, and whatever you do is not making that change in that person, you're feeling sick and tired. That may also be the energy here, guys. So let's pick the angel guidance deck, guys. Let's see what is the solution to our problems. So let's see how angels are guiding us to overcome our situation. Be accommodating, be discerning, show justice. Aries, with these cards, I feel it is time for you to listen to others' views and beliefs in any situations. When you are being flexible in your situation, okay, allowing them to express themselves, you will get a better understanding of your situation, and you should have the clarity about the choices you make every day, because the goals we reach depend upon the choices we make. So even smaller things do make a great change. So you need to be uh, you need to have the knowledge of your goals, so you can make wise choices every day, okay, in your actions or in your work or in your relationship regarding your person. So whatever it is, you just have to be very careful, guys. That is the energy here. You have to think deeply about the truth of your situation, and you have to make the choice. And when you do that, you should be able to evaluate what the other person is saying in your relationship, what they feel and think about the relationship. Then you have to think about your choice, your thoughts, and then you have to make a stand in any situation. So that is the energy here, guys. That is how angels are guiding us. to overcome this situation, this boredom, and this weariness you have in your relationship, Aries. So you need to be what to say, allow yourself to deeply communicate with your person and make choices based on that. So you need to communicate clearly about your views and listen to their views and then make the wise choice, guys. That is the energy here, Aries, for you all. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.